Hello and welcome to Patrick's Models and Transport. I'm fixing the bogie on this triangle blood and custard coach. As I told you in previous videos, this spar here was missing, and also this part, the suspension. The part of the suspension was broken off, and it has to look like this. So there has to be this spar here, and then these molded springs here, and the supports for the springs. So what have I done? You'll also see a few stills after this short introduction. I'm going to fit these two small pieces of styrene there and there, and then I'll also fit another longer part which I still have to cut to replicate this here, this part here, onto this piece of aluminium. I decided to use a piece of aluminium from the tea light holder. There it is, you can see it. And then I'm going to remake the springs using two pieces of spring. This is the spring from a big cigarette lighter. This is the spring that keeps the stone in position, the one that makes a spark. Because I always dismantle used cigarette lighters because they're a good source of springs, a good source of bits of metal, and they're even a good source of scrap metal to put in goods wagons. So we'll be seeing some of them. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. Imagine I'll make the springs, but of course I'm going to be doing this thing here by installments because it's too many various steps. I've fitted some styrene profiles there, there and there, and then we'll pop the small sections of spring between them as soon as they're set properly. But don't even need to be put, the spring doesn't have to, just need to cut it slightly smaller than that height so that it just sits in there, and we'll fit it in with glue and glaze. I'm using glue and glaze in this case here. You can see that I'm gluing styrene to aluminium, and you can see that we're practically replicating the original triangle bogie. That and that. So when this will be all finished and painted black, we'll hardly notice a difference. Go. I've fitted the two sections of spring in there from the cigarette lighter, from the big cigarette lighter, and they're held in place with some glue and glaze, PVA glue. That'll set. Once that's all set, we can paint it black. And maybe I could have cut the springs a little bit shorter, but even here like that, caught on top of the profile, I mean, once it's painted, it'll look very, very similar to the original, which is there. So I think that's a very nice repair, which was made using some recycled, so just a piece of styrene profile. This is 1mm by 0.75. Here we have another bit of 1mm by 0.75. This one here, the base of the springs, and at the top we have two small clippings of 2mm by 0.75 styrene. And the springs, as I said, are from a big lighter, an old big lighter, an empty one. So that's a nice repair. Right, so this is the finished job on the repaired bogie. You can see the styrene, the springs, taken from a big lighter, the piece of aluminium from the tea light, and if we compare that with the original, you can see how it's very similar. Zoom out. And the next job will be painting it. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell, and share. Cheerio, and see you next time.